Welcome to the channel. Today I'm reviewing 5 best telescoping ladders, carefully selected based on research and testing for various needs. Whether you're seeking affordability, performance, or specific features, I've categorized the products to suit different buyer preferences. Check the description for up-to-date prices and details. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's dive in. Starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. RIKADE Telescopic Aluminum Ladder. Looking for a reliable, space-saving ladder that combines strength, safety, and convenience? The RIKADE Telescopic Aluminum Ladder is your perfect solution. Crafted from premium 6063 high-strength aluminum alloy, this ladder is built to last while maintaining a lightweight design at just 36.2 pounds. Despite its portability, it boasts an impressive 330-pound load capacity, ensuring stability and security for a wide range of users. Safety is a top priority with independent button adjustments on each section, minimizing the risk of pinched fingers when contracting the ladder. Additionally, the latest model includes detachable double hooks at the top, providing extra grip and preventing accidental slips when used against walls or ledges. Whether you're reaching high shelves at home, tackling professional projects, or setting up at a campsite, this ladder adapts effortlessly to your needs. Measuring just 42.3 inches by 19.8 inches by 3.7 inches when folded, the RIKADE ladder is remarkably compact, making storage a breeze. Tuck it away under beds, in closets, or even in your car for on-the-go convenience. Its lightweight structure and bottom handrail design make transportation effortless, so you can easily move it to any workspace. Whether you're a homeowner, contractor, or outdoor enthusiast, this versatile, easy-to-use telescoping ladder ensures you can tackle any task with confidence. Number 4. SINMEIRUN Telescopic Ladder. Upgrade your climbing experience with the SINMEIRUN Telescopic Ladder, a perfect blend of durability, safety, and convenience. Crafted from premium thick aluminum alloy with an oxidized surface, this ladder is built to withstand heavy use while maintaining a lightweight feel. Reinforced nylon fiber components add extra strength, supporting up to 330 pounds, 150 kilograms, with ease. Designed with safety in mind, each step features a double height-locking latch, preventing pinching and allowing for smooth height adjustments. The anti-slip features ensure a firm grip, while the heavy-duty construction provides outstanding stability for household and professional tasks alike. This extendable and foldable ladder compacts down to just 40 inches, making storage effortless. Equipped with storage straps and a carrying handle, it's easy to transport and fits in most car trunks. Whether you're tackling home maintenance, window cleaning, painting, or construction projects, this versatile ladder is your go-to tool. Backed by responsive customer service, the SINMEIRUN Telescopic Ladder is designed to meet your needs before and after purchase. Get the job done safely, efficiently, and with confidence. Number 3. Soctone Telescopic Ladder. Introducing the Soctone Telescopic Ladder, engineered to bring you the perfect combination of strength, stability, and portability. Made with high-quality aluminum alloy, this ladder is not only lightweight, but also highly durable, resistant to rust, wear, and extreme temperatures. It can support up to 330 pounds, ensuring a reliable and secure climbing experience for all your needs. Through innovative design, the Soctone Telescopic Ladder reduces wobble by 36%, thanks to the addition of 2 triangle stabilizers. This improves the ladder's stability, reducing shaking from 30 degrees to just 10 degrees for safer and more comfortable use. The smart locking pins secure each section in place and prevent sliding, while the ladder retracts smoothly and safely. Whether you're changing light bulbs, accessing the attic, repairing roofs, or climbing into your RV, this ladder excels in multi-scene applications. Its compact design allows for easy portability and storage, as it can be neatly tied with a fixed belt and stored in tight spaces like your car trunk or various corners of the home. The Soctone Telescopic Ladder is your ultimate solution for everyday tasks that require a strong, reliable, and easy-to-store ladder. Enjoy a safe and convenient experience every time you climb. Number 2. Wolec Telescoping Ladder. The Wolec telescoping ladder is the perfect combination of durability, portability, and versatility, designed to meet all your climbing and reaching needs. Made from high-quality aluminum with a sleek black finish, this ladder offers corrosion and rust resistance, ensuring it withstands daily wear and tear. With an impressive load capacity of up to 330 pounds, it's built to handle a wide range of tasks, providing reliable strength whether you're working on home cleaning, renovation, or even professional tasks in warehouses or workshops. With an adjustable height range from 4.1 feet to 20.3 feet, this ladder offers the flexibility you need to reach high spaces. The addition of wheels makes it incredibly easy to transport from room to room or location to location, eliminating the bulkiness and hassle associated with traditional extension ladders. When not in use, this telescoping ladder is easy to store. Simply secure it with the included strap, and you can tuck it away in your car trunk or any corner of your home. Its compact design ensures it takes up minimal space while being ready to work whenever you need it. Whether you're handling household maintenance or tackling professional projects, the Wolec telescoping ladder is your reliable, convenient solution to getting the job done safely and efficiently every time. Number 1. VEVOR Telescoping Ladder. The VEVOR Telescoping Ladder is designed to elevate your work experience with superior durability, stability, and convenience. Crafted from aviation-grade aluminum alloy, it supports up to an impressive 375 pounds, 170 kilograms, ensuring a high-performance ladder for heavy-duty tasks. Reinforced with nylon plastic interface components, this ladder is built to last without leaving plastic marks, and it has passed ANSI and N131 tests, guaranteeing a long service life. Stability is key to safe climbing, and VEVOR has enhanced the step interface material and structure for extra durability. The non-slip top cover and non-slip feet ensure the ladder stays steady while you work, minimizing wobbling and protecting walls and floors from damage. Portability is a breeze with this lightweight design. The ladder is easy to carry even for female users, and it fits into tight spaces whether under the sofa, behind a door, or in your car trunk. The one-button retraction feature makes it simple to retract the ladder smoothly and safely, without pinching your fingers. With a maximum height of 12.5 feet, this versatile ladder is perfect for a variety of tasks, including home repair, decoration, painting, bulb changing, and even tree pruning. The VEVOR Telescoping Ladder is a trustworthy assistant for all your indoor and outdoor needs. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.